This is Bill and Deb North of Florida Weekend Warriors. This weekend's adventure is Fort Desoto Park up in Pinellas County. It's one of our favorite places to go. See you there.
See ya. Hi, it's Bill and Deb North of the Florida Weekend Warriors. We just wanted to let you know and bring you along on our adventure this weekend. We're at Fort Desoto in St. Petersburg, Florida. This is a county park. This is not a state park. So you do the reservations on their website. They do save on Friday 10% of the campsites. We actually did not have a reservation until Friday morning at 7 o'clock. And again, this is a pull through. They keep 10, and then what they do is they start with the lower numbers and they go up. So watch, if you're in the dog loop, you need to pay attention to the site. So have the map with you so that you know what campsite is in what loop. Again, there is a dog loop, and we are not in the dog loop today. We are at campsite 178, and again, it is a pull through. We're going to go along. Please go along with us as we show you some of the amenities that Fort Desoto offers. One of the big things that's also here is a fort. It's actually built from the 1800s, I do believe, and the fort is intact. There's cannons there, the old jail cells. They do have a gift shop. There are multiple beaches here, and most of the time the walk to the beach is not that far, but we do usually bring our beach cart with us whenever we go out to the beach. And checkout here is at 11 o'clock. So what we've done a lot of times is take our rig down to the beach. The parking lots are big, so we'll just spend the rest of the day there on Sunday, and our rig is right there. So it's a really nice beach area.
You can rent paddle boards and bicycles, and also there's a ferry that takes you out to Egmont Key, which is very popular. It's beautiful out there.
One of the things that you do want to make sure that you try to bring is your bikes. There's a lot of bikes, sidewalks throughout the whole area. If you're coming just for the day, it is $5 for a car, but the pass for camping will take you through all of the park with no extra charge, and also to the boat ramp. If you have that parking permit from the campsite, you can use the boat ramp. If not, there is a pay station there. A lot of times we do bring our boat. We did not bring our boat this time, but again, the boat ramps are beautiful. We'll take you and show you the boat ramps on our adventure today.
If your boat's very big, you should probably try to get one of the pull-through sites, because the pull-through sites are huge. You can easily put a 25-foot boat in a pull-through site.
So hope you enjoy our adventure today. Again, we're at Fort Desoto.
This is site 180, and you can see there's a seawall here, and you can even pull your boat up right up to your campsite. It is a little shallow though. Might want to keep it anchored off the seawall. Here's one of the pull-through sites. You can see how big they are. This is site 210. This one has a view. Here's the camp store. Plenty of firewood. You're not allowed to have a fire on the ground, but they sell these, or rent these, big metal pails that you could put at your campsite and have a campfire. Bicycles for rent.
It's January 12th. We are sitting at the beach at Fort Desoto. Look at the beautiful view.
76 degrees. It's just gorgeous out. There's the fishing pier.
One of many here.
There's Egmont Key in the background. The ferry will pick you up at the boat ramp and take you out there.
For a small fee.
Over there is a gift shop and a snack bar. They also sell some fishing supplies. It's a beautiful day. We're at the top of the fort. Those are the air vents for the fort down below. There's a cannon over there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Go down and get closer. Skyway Bridge. These cannons are the actual cannons that were originally at the fort. They're really cool.
This is where you rent the kayaks and the paddle boards.
It's a kayak launch. There's the boat ramp. Huge boat ramp. It's got floating docks. If you bring your own hose, you can wash off your boat with using their water. You just need to bring a hose. Right up there is the pay station. You actually have to pay to park your trailer here, but if you're camping, it's free. And you just need to make sure you have your sticker for your campsite on the front of your windshield. Many times the parking in the parking lot for the boat trailers is full, but they have this really nice overflow lot. It's just a big field, and just pick a spot and park wherever you like. It's right next to the entrance when you first come into the boat ramp.
I hope you enjoyed our weekend adventure. Again, if you enjoyed this, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thanks. See you next time.
See ya.
See ya.